First, state your name, age, and where you're from.
Victor Santos, 24 years old, and I live in New Jersey.
How long have you been trading?
Approximately like 2 years on and off.
How long have you been trading with ASFX?
It's honestly been like 2 months.
Do you only trade Forex?
Yes.
So far with your experience, how has Austin and the ASFX system changed your career?
It's honestly given me a new perspective that makes me feel like I'm having a new start, a better start with my new analysis into the market, a new perspective into every aspect that I'm looking in.
What do you think of the all-day seminar?
It's excellent. Like, it's giving me, like I said, a new perspective with every aspect into the Forex market and into the business aspect that I've never even heard anyone explain to me before, and that's a lot of value in that.
Would you recommend this seminar to new or struggling traders?
Oh yeah, for sure. Like, I wish 2 years ago this was my beginning, but we all live and learn, and I'm just glad I'm here and I'm not somewhere else.
So you just kind of took it back a little bit. So the first time you ever heard Forex, knowing what you know now, what advice would you give yourself?
The advice I'd give myself, honestly, is start with a regulated broker. Like, it all comes down to the right leverage and the right business to have success and long-term success with your broker.
So what would you tell yourself the first time you found ASFX?
I'd tell myself, like, go with it, like, do it, like, this is legit, don't worry about it, and like, the trust and the content is there. You just gotta go with it.
So for the last couple questions, you're just going to finish the sentence. Everyone should consider trading Forex because
Freedom.
trading Forex with the ASFX system is
A no-brainer.
every new Forex trader should
Keep mind of risk management.